Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the batteries in your control remote of your car keys. Today I'm going to use my car keys. I have a 4013 Ford Fusion, and this is the way how to change it in this specific model. First you're going to use a screwdriver. Anyone could do it. Any screwdriver can do it. And what you have to do is search for the line that holds the cap of the control remote, and then you just have to stick it in, and there you go. It's that easy. There you go. You have the battery there. I have the exact same model that uses my car keys. Oh, and you just put it there. There you go. You put again the cap, and that's it. I'm gonna do it again with the other control I have from my keys. These are the older ones, but in order to inform you guys, I'm gonna do it again. You see, there's a line that divides the cap and the control, and you just wiggle it a little bit and it should come off very easily. Anyone could do it. There you go. You just pressure it in. When you hear the click, it's all done.